Everyone, today we'll talk about how to add your blog tags on the application of Wattpad. You will go to Wattpad app. In this page, you will write a moment. Then we click in this sign of profile. Here we go to above to this sign of settings, and you can click. Here in this list, we click on content preferences. In this page, we click on blog tags. Here we click on add tags. And you can add your blog tags here. Then when you will add it like this, you can choose any tag, for example, and then you can click save. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.